Hi girls, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do the most basic and simple yet beautiful and chic everyday makeup that everyone can do, and it takes less than 5 minutes of your time. This video is also a guide for beginners because I'm gonna show you how I do everything step by step. And yeah, this is it. Let's just quickly start the video. Okay, so the first step is skin prep, and for that I use this Clinique moisturizer and this Clinique eye cream. Then the eye cream. Just gently tap. Then I use this Embryoless primer that is a moisturizing primer. Next, I don't use foundation on my daily makeups, and I only use a sunscreen. Never forget your sunscreen, especially in the daytime or whenever you're at home, or even whenever you're at home and you are working with screen. Don't forget to apply your sunscreen on your neck as well. Okay, then next step is lip prep, and for my lips I use this Labello lip balm because I have very dry lips, especially in the winter. And then I use a tint. I use this milk jelly tint. Then I use a mascara. Then I use a concealer. I always use this NARS concealer on my daily makeups. Because it has a good cover and it's not too heavy and it doesn't get wrinkles on my under eyes. I don't know why my under eyes are so dark and puffy. Remember to always tap gently on your under eyes. Then again, I use my tint and I brush like this, and just to give my face a little freshness and a little bit of a pinky tint, just like this. Don't do too much. And then I don't use bronzer on my daily makeups, and I also don't use too much powder, and I always tend to use liquidy products on my daily makeups. And I use this Shiglam contour stick that looks like this, and it's a liquid, and just a little bit on my cheekbones, and a brush like this, and always remember to fade your contour upwards, contour and bronzer actually, upwards, to give you that lifted look. You see, I don't use too much. I just want to give my face a little structure and make a little shadow. Just like this. And next, I actually feel like I have to apply a little more concealer here. Next, I use my tint again. And on the last touch, I use a lip gloss on my lips. I use this Victoria's Secret raspberry berry actually lip gloss. Yeah, this is it. This is the easiest, also beginner friendly everyday makeup that looks good on everyone, and everyone can do it. And yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I sometimes add some more steps to my daily makeup, but this is a very easy, basic everyday makeup, and I find it very beautiful and simple yet classy. And yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.